How to buy a put option on Robinhood. When it comes to investment pursuits, first-time investors usually want to plunge in with the needed knowledge in trading. Unfortunately, only a few of these investors find success, which only means stock investing basics are needed to really enjoy excess in these type of investment. Having even a basic knowledge to help big time as investments means either gaining profits or losing your money, and so one must know what he is doing. Before jumping into the stocks investment, it is advisable to learn more about investing. This can be done by studying and determining what the stock investing basics are. One basic in stock investments is know what your goal is. You should discern what you are trying to get out of your investments. Before deciding on investing a penny, think really hard first on what you want to earn from your investment. The fact is that knowing what your investing goal is will be a big help in your making more intelligent decision on investments. One of the most important stock investment basics is to create a simple investment goal at first. Unfortunately, many people wanted to become wealthy overnight with their investment. It is not a smart idea to begin your road to investment by having high hopes of getting rich overnight. It is best to make a slow but sure investment. Stock investment basics also dictates that you work with a financial professional that will tell you if such is a wise investment. Your stock planner will provide you with information that will take you to sound investing moves in order to experience financial goals. Simply put, you must be reminded that investing requires much from you as an investor. You simply cannot just call a broker and tell him that you desire to purchase or sell stocks. It takes a good amount of stock investment basics as well as investing knowledge, especially about stock market, in order to earn profitably and successfully.